If you're looking to support local this summer with buying some BC wine, come into your nearest BC liquor store. My name is Lisa Giovanella. I'm the Portfolio Program Manager. If you live on Vancouver Island, then Unsworth is one of your local wineries. Here we have their Pinot Gris. This is such a beautiful expression of BC Pinot Gris, which is one of our top planted grape varieties. It has notes of apple and pear. It's really crisp and refreshing. And if you live in the Fraser Valley, then Chaberton Bacchus is one that you definitely need to try. Here we have a hybrid grape variety, which means it has a really crisp acidity and just a touch of sweetness. This is going to be perfect for the spicy dishes that you're serving this summer. And for those of you where the Okanagan Valley is your backyard, we have Poplar Grove Merlot. Merlot is our top planted grape variety in the Okanagan Valley. Now this one is made for barbecues. It is rich, it's got just a touch of oak, super smooth, and definitely crowd-pleasing and elegant. You will find these and many more BC VQA wines in your nearest BC liquor stores. Cheers.